These are for my makeup. Is a 4th of July get ready with me vlog. So I just got up. I'm still in my pajamas. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get in the shower. We're gonna wash my hair. We're gonna get ready. So yeah, this is the first outfit. So it's this white top. It's like open in the back, and then it looks like this in the front with these shorts. So this is the first outfit, and the second outfit is, I think when we go out, I think we might go out to eat later. So this is gonna be the second outfit. This is my dress, which means I do have to do my toes so I can wear my sandals with it. But this is the second outfit. It's just like a long dress. So this is the first outfit. We're gonna go ahead and get in the shower. I'm out the shower. I'm gonna show you the first outfit. We're gonna go ahead and brush my teeth, do all the hygiene stuff or whatever, and then obviously do my hair. We're gonna blow dry my hair as well. This is the first outfit. I don't think I'm gonna have it on for that long. I don't really know how I feel about it right now. I might just be missing jewelry, I don't know. But I'm about to show y'all first outfit. I had to do my toes, so for now I'm gonna wear my Air Forces with it. But yeah, it's just these shorts. I don't know why one looks more elevated. Oh, cause okay. Oh well, ignore the shorts. And then this top. I have my phone connected to the speaker, but that's what I'm recording on. So we're gonna connect my iPad to the speaker, and I'm not gonna be like, y'all are gonna listen to music, just not my music, because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit, or when I get there. So I use these toothbrushes. This is from Dollar Tree. It was a 2-pack. These are from the grwm, and this is a medium. And then I also bought the case, and the case is like vapor infused. And then for my toothpaste, I use the Colgate Total. All 3 items are from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree got good stuff, y'all, so definitely recommend you guys go check it out. Tripod, so I can't really get a good angle, so I'll come back to you in a minute.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back and I'm better. Want you bad as ever.
So my neck feels bare. I need some jewelry. That brings me to this part of the video. This necklace is from Evry. What Evry is a website that sells jewelry, all types of jewelry, even waterproof jewelry. They sell bracelets, earrings. They even got new swimwear and focuses, so it's not just jewelry. They got necklaces, they got everything you can think of, and they even got waterproof jewelry if you want to go in the water with your jewelry. Now that it's summer and it's hot and you just don't think about taking off your jewelry when it comes to going in the pool, going in the shower, whatever. Evry is your girl. Right here is from Evry. This is the link up necklace, and it's gorgeous. This is in the color gold, and honestly, this isn't one of those fake golds, like those fake necklaces. This is actually a good gold. Like, it's not one of those fake golds. I definitely recommend that you guys go check them out. They're having an 80% site-wide sale. So, I mean, definitely go check it out. Everything is 80% off. And use my code MIA899 for an extra 20% off. 80% off everything, plus 20% off coupon. What more could you ask for? So go check out Evry. Yeah, so we got the ready. I have my makeup bag right here. I'm gonna do my makeup. So yeah, start off with moisturizer. I'm really just gonna start to use this moisturizer for my makeup. And just use my CeraVe as my daily moisturizer. I don't know. Music on, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna just show y'all the products. This is my makeup bag, and yeah, y'all just gonna see me do my makeup. Yo guys, I'm ready. Ignore the music in the back, but I'm ready. I got my jewelry on. I got my sandals on.
I'll be calling you when I let it. 'Cause we ain't got no time to wait. And I don't give a damn about your boyfriend. We can have
Hey y'all, we're back home. We went to my cousin's house. It's 7:21, but yeah, we went to eat. We went to my cousin's house. I don't really know what else, but yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Hey y'all. I think we're about to go to the bridge so we can see the fireworks. It's about 8 something. And typically it gets dark around 9 and people start throwing fireworks at 9. So yeah, they're already throwing fireworks, but like it's still a little bit light outside, so you can still kind of see them.
you after I go. I'm doing all I can.
Run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon hit like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming, fuck 'em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do